Hello everybody, getting ready to do lesson 7.2 of geometry today, similar polygons. And this lesson here is a construction, contains a construction aspect of geometry, 34 points, 0 points of note-taking. Okay, conjectures about similarity. Question, when a figure is enlarged, how are corresponding angles related? How are corresponding lengths related? So when a figure is enlarged, and the materials here are ruler, calculator, and a protractor. That's what we need for today. Photo 1 is an enlargement of photo 2. So here's photo 1. And this is an enlargement we have of photo 2, which we'll see. You have two angles here. You have distances here, distances there between F and D. And we have a G over here. This is G, so the distance here. This is an enlargement of this photo here, photo 2. So, on your worksheets that I've handed out to you, use a ruler to find the length of AB in each photo. Then use a calculator to find the ratio of AB in photo 1 to AB in photo 2. Round to the nearest tenth. Use a protractor to find the measure of angle 1 in each photo. So, then find the ratio of the measure of angle 1 in photo 1 to the measure of angle 1 in photo 2. So you have a ratio here with photo 1, photo 2, and then you have the segment here of AB to find that ratio of photo 1 to photo 2 as well, and then round that off. So that, and then part 3 here, continue finding measurements in the photos and record your results in a table like the one shown here. So here's your table to fill in, comparing photo 1 to photo 2, and your ratio here of 5 to, rather 6 to 5 would be 1.2, and then these other ratios here, go ahead and figure them out. Fill that table in. 12 points here for that. And then think about it, questions here. Make a conjecture about the relationship between corresponding lengths when a figure is enlarged. Make a conjecture. Remember conjectures. Make a conjecture. 2. Make a conjecture about the relationship between corresponding angles when a figure is enlarged. So between corresponding lengths and then corresponding angles, make a conjecture and put that in your text box here. 8 points for these two here. And then 3 and 4, suppose an angle in photo 2 has a measure of 35 degrees. What is the measure of the corresponding angle in photo 1? So figure that one out. And then 4, an extension. Suppose a segment in photo 1 is 5 centimeters long. What is the measure of the corresponding segment in photo 2? So do that and put in your text box here. 8 points for this as well. And that is your lesson for 7.2, construction for geometry. Thank you.